Next is question number 13. In the given figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region, and here you have to use pi as 3.14. So this is the given figure. Here you can see the quadrant OPBQ. This one is the quadrant of the circle, and OABC is the square, and the length of square side is given, that is 20 centimeter. So we know that in order to find out this shaded region, we have to subtract the area of the square from the area of the quadrant. And in order to find out the quadrant, we need the radius of the circle or radius of the quadrant. For that, we will just join OB. And this OB will be acting as the radius of the quadrant as well as the diagonal of the square. So from this right triangle, because it has 90 degree at A, we can consider OAB the right triangle and find out what is the length of OB, which will be acting as the radius of the quadrant also. Okay, so join OB and then consider triangle OAB, which is right angled at A. So by Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? OB will be equal to root of, hypotenuse is equal to root of base square plus altitude square, OA square plus AB square. Both OA and AB are of length 20 centimeters. So here you will get root of 20 square plus 20 square, which is equal to root of 400 plus 400, or root of 800, which can be written as 20 root 2 centimeters. So you got this length to be 20 root 2 centimeter. Now you have the side of the square, that means you can find out the area of the square and the area of the sector also, because you have the radius. Okay, so therefore radius of the quadrant will be equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Hence, the area of the shaded region will be equal to area of the quadrant. What is the name of the quadrant? OPBQ minus area of the square OABC. Now, what is area of the quadrant? Theta by, here again you can use theta is 90 degrees, so 90 by 360 will give you 1 by 4, pi r square by 4 into pi r square minus a square. 1 by 4, pi has to be used as 3.14, r is 20 root 2 the whole square minus a square, which is 20 square. We will get 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 will give you 20 whole square will give you how much? Say it is root of 800. Root of 800, the whole square is 800. Okay, 800 minus this will give you 400. Now this you can cancel. This is 200. 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. Into 100 will give you 628. Minus 400, which is equal to 228 centimeter squares. So area of the shaded region is 228 centimeter squares. Next is question number 14. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. You can see the figure. This is the shaded region. So in order to get this region's area, you have to subtract the area of this sector from the area of the bigger sector. That means you have two sectors, AOB and COD. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. Remaining all the things are given. Angle is given to be 30 degree, central angle for both the sectors, and for the smaller one it is 7 centimeter acting as R, and R for the bigger one is 21 centimeter. So first we will find out what is the area of the small sector, bigger sector AOB, and area of the smaller sector separately, and then subtract them. Okay, area of sector AOB will be what you will get, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 30 degree, 30 by 360 into pi. Pi will be taken as 22 by 7 into r. What is the radius of the bigger sector? 21. So 21 into 21. Here you will get 12. This will give you 3, 2, 6, 11, 6, 2. So you are getting in total 11 into 21 by 2, which is equal to 231 by 2, which is equal to 115.5 is the area of the bigger sector. Okay, centimeter squares. Now we will start with area of sector smaller one, which is COD, which is equal to again theta by 360 into pi r square, where this r is, let it be capital R. Capital R is equal to 21 centimeter and small r is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, and theta is common, 30 degree for both the cases. So here you will get 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 square, 7 into 7. Again here 12, and this will give you here 11 to 6. So what you are getting, the remaining thing is 77 by 6, right? And 77 by 6 is 12.83. 8333 like that it will be. So we are taking 12.83 till that. Now what will be the area of the shaded region? Area of the shaded region is equal to area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD, which is equal to 115.5 minus 12.83, and this is equal to 102.67 centimeter squares. Okay. Question number 15 is, in the given figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. You can see the figure. ABC is a quadrant of the circle. So ABC, in the sense when you are finding out this portion is the quadrant of the circle, and this ABC is the triangular region, and with this BC as the diameter you are getting a semicircle also. So you have to find out this shaded region. So first what we are doing is we are breaking it into three portions. Suppose this is first region, this is second region, and this is the third region. You have to find out the third region, right? Area of the third region. For that, what we will do is first we will find out what is the second region's area, and in order to get that, you have to subtract the area of the triangle from the area of this quadrant. Okay, and after that we will just consider the area of the semicircle, this total, minus this will give you this region. So first we will find out what is the area of this second region. Okay, area of the second region is equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. Okay, because both are ABC, notation will be the same. In order to understand, we are writing quadrant and triangle. Now for the quadrant, what is the formula? Again, this is quadrant, so it is 90. You can use pi r square by 4 or 1 by 4 pi r square, minus area of the triangle. Again, it is right angle triangle, so you will have half BH, half into B into H. Replacing the value, you will get pi is taken as 22 by 7. Here you have a 4 also, and R is, what is given as R? R is 14 centimeter. Replacing, you will get 14 into 14 minus, here half into B is again 14, H is also 14. So 14 square by 2 is common here, that we can take out. Okay, 14 square, that is 14 into 14 by 2. Remaining will be 22 here, and in the denominator you have a 7 and a 2, minus this total has been taken out, so this is 1. Okay, here this will give you 7, so 7 into 14, and here this will give you 11 by 7 minus 1, which is 7 into 14 into 11 minus 7 by 7 is equal to 7 into 14 into 4 by 7. Again, you can cancel 7 and 7, and this will give you 56 centimeter squares. So you have got the area of the second region, that means this region. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the area of the semicircle, and from that area of the semicircle you have to reduce this second region so that you will get the area of the shaded region. Now in order to get the area of the semicircle, you need the radius of the semicircle. How will you get? This is the radius BC. Okay, this is the diameter, and its half will give you the radius. So how will you find out BC? If you consider this triangle, it is right angled, this will be acting as the hypotenuse. So we will consider right triangle BAC, and there, using the Pythagoras theorem, you will get what is BC is equal to. BC is equal to root of 14 square plus 14 square, which is equal to 14 root 2 centimeters. Now what is BC? It is the diameter of the semicircle also. Therefore, radius of the semicircle is equal to of the semicircle is equal to 14 root 2 by 2, or 7 root 2 centimeters. Okay, now we have to find out the area of the semicircle, and area of the semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 by 2. So this will give you 11. Here you have 11 into 7 into root 2 is 2. So you will have 11 into 7 into 2, which is equal to, how much you will get? 77 into 2, which is equal to 154 centimeter squares. So this is the area of the semicircle. Now what you need is area of the third region, or the shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region, or you can say, is equal to area of the third region is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the second region, and this will give you 154 minus 56. 154 minus 56 is giving you 98 centimeter squares. So this is the area of the shaded region. Okay. Question number 16 is, calculate the area of the designed region in the given figure, common between the two quadrants of circles of radius 8 centimeter each. You can see the figure ABCD, we have given the name, and here F and E also, in order to identify the portion which we are finding out. Okay, so our purpose is to find out this designed region's area. For that, first we will find out the area of the square, then we will find out the area of one of the quadrants, that means either this quadrant or that quadrant, because each has the same radius, both value will be same, and subtracting that part, that is this much of part, when you take this quadrant, this much of part from the square, you will get this region, this, or you can say this square total minus this region will give you this area, and again similarly you can find out the other area also. That means both areas will be same. So what you have got? This one and this one, and you have to get this. So now how will you get? After finding out again this square area, you have to subtract these two sum from the area of the square, and that will give you the area of the designed portion. Okay, so first we will find out what is the area of the square. Area of the square ABCD is equal to 8 square, which is equal to 64 centimeter square. Now we will find out what is the area of one of the quadrants. Okay, area of quadrant, if you are saying A, B, C, E, A, B, C, E, which will be equal to, its radius is given and it is a quadrant, so we'll get 1 by 4 pi r square, which is 1 by 4 pi 22 by 7 into r is 8, so 8 into 8. So here you are getting how much? 22 into 2, that is 44 into 8, you will get as 352 by 7 centimeter squares as the area of one of the quadrants. Now again we know that area of the other quadrant will also give you the same area. Now what we are doing is we are finding out this region, or you can say that region. So this is this total, and from the square you are removing this one, means you will get that. Okay, so you'll get area of the region A, D, C, E. A, D, C, E will be area of the square minus area of the quadrant A, B, C, E. Okay, so that is 64 minus 352 by 7. Again, this will give you 64 into 7 is 448 minus 352 by 7, which is equal to how much you are getting? 96. 96 by 7 centimeter square. Now the thing which you have got is this region. Again, this region will also be of same area, so you can just write similarly. We will get area of the region ABCF will also be 96 by 7 centimeter squares. Now what actually we need? Area of the designed portion. Okay, for area of the designed portion, since we have got this and this region, we will reduce the sum of this from the area of the square. Therefore, area of the designed region is equal to area of the square minus, you can just take twice or sum of these two. Okay, minus of area of ADCE plus area of ABCF. Okay, so area of the square is, you have already found out, 64 minus what, these two same value, so you can just take twice of 96 by 7. Okay, now what is this giving you? 64 minus, here what you will get, 2 into 96 will give you 192 by 7. Taking the LCM will give you 64 into 7 is again 448. 448 minus 192 by 7, which is equal to 256 by 7 centimeter squares. Okay, understood?